Hey guys, this is a pretty easy video on how to get started on today's quiz. If you're not already at my website, you need to go up here and type in mrsjtom.weebly.com, and that's going to get you right here on our home page. And as we do most days, you need to hover over the 7th grade ELA and click on Daily Agenda. And of course, it's a beautiful spring day and I'm playing hooky. Okay, not really. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you'll notice that there's a link right here to chapter 1 through 8 quiz. Go ahead and click on that. It should open up in a separate browser window your quiz. First thing you're going to do is type in your name. And this is important for me to keep track of all of the records. You have to put in your last name first and then your first name. Secondly, you need to select which class period, first, third, or fifth. Once you select your class period, you can go ahead and scroll down and get started on the questions. Make sure that you read each question and possible answer carefully and select the one that best answers the question. As you go, you'll notice there are a couple of questions that are short answer. Use the rules for responding to short answer questions. Okay, we all know what they are, and if you happen to forget, take a look at the board on the side and you can remind yourself. There are a couple questions like that. And then finally, a critical thinking question, and this is one where the answer isn't going to be very obvious to you. You kind of have to think about what it means. And the question is, will Tom Sawyer ever leave his adventures behind and become civilized? Take a minute to think about that. And once you've completed your responses, you're going to hit submit. Now, you'll notice that it won't let me submit because I haven't answered all of the required questions. So if you happen to get something that looks like this, that means that there's 1, 2, or more questions that haven't been answered. Go back through and double check your work and try again. When you're done, you can just redirect yourself back to this page and begin reading chapter 9 for tomorrow.